Yo, 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 good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Obviously, I'm in this trade currently on just the Top Step Combine. I'll go over the reasons for the trade here just a little bit. I might get stopped at break even here. I went risk free. This might tap into this fair value gap and potentially sell off. I don't know. I wasn't a huge fan of the range we were in, which is why I only took it on Top Step. It was kind of a finicky setup and a call out, but basically, what I saw when I initially entered. So I entered, quickly sent it in the Discord, and then as soon as I entered it, it like just skyrocketed, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm just gonna get ran here. So that's when I typed "don't enter" in the Discord, and I said wait for it to come back, and then it finally started pulling back into that fair value gap. And that's when I said if you guys wanted to grab a fair value gap entry, it was up to you. If not, all good. I am not super in love with this setup, so that's why I'm already risk free. So we'll see what we get. Maybe I'll get some more follow through here, but otherwise, I'm totally cool waiting till the end of this hour, the start of the next hour. As you guys can see on NASDAQ, we've got two different buy-side liquidity levels here. We basically have London high and London low that we're trading right in the middle of, and would like to see one of those taken out. The only kicker is, and this is actually a little bit opposing the trade I took, is the fact that we've already swept London low on E-mini S&P. So we swept that London low already. The reasoning for me being open to taking a short was I jumped up to the hourly time frame, and I saw how price had respected off of consequent encroachment of this 1 hour wick right here. Let me get that on there. And then I jumped down to the 1 minute, and then that's when I saw this model right here. So we saw market structure shift below this swing low. Nice strong candle close. Pull back into the fair value gap. So to me, this was pretty damn close to a picture perfect 2022 model. And again, I only took it on the Top Step account because a little bit more neutral bias today, and also just the timing. I don't love taking trades before the end of opening range, to be honest with you, most of the time. And we got the FOMC member Harker speaking right as we speak, I believe. But that should be wrapping up here pretty soon, I would think. Yeah, TGIF. We'll take a look at like the weekly candle and see if we can get like a TGIF setup today. I wouldn't mind seeing one more push to the downside first, and then see how we react to these lows. You know, I think it's going to be a telltale for me is going to be which one of these buy side levels can be taken first between ES and NQ. And I was hoping to play the the opposing liquidity after one of these got swept, which we might still get. You know, if we sweep this London low, that would be best case for me, at least being in this trade. Is anybody in a sell right now with me or no? If not, I wouldn't enter, to be honest with you guys. I'm risk free. I really don't care if I get stopped at break even here. This was kind of like a bonus gimme trade. It was just on the combine account, so if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. A couple of you guys are in with me though. All right, well, but I thought the setup and the structure looked good enough on the 1 minute to take a stab is all. The 15 minute. One thing that I do, or I should say I'm mindful of looking at NQ here. So we obviously had a very, very, very strong move yesterday after Powell started speaking. I mean, that market just nuked both sides that we were aiming for yesterday, which is kind of unfortunate. You know, to me, all that really means is that, you know, we were definitely on the right side of the market yesterday in terms of like our ideas were not bad. Our ideas were, I think, pretty high quality. But, oh my goodness, are we going to hit this or no? I want to see how this next 30 seconds ends up. 13. Come on, get down there. Remember, we already swept the low on ES. This is looking like a sweep on NQ, I'm not going to lie. I'm just going to close it, guys. I'm just going to close that. Hour just rolled over anyway, so now we can wait for something else, but made like a 950 on that, I think. Just two contracts. Yeah, 13 and a quarter, but you go over here. I mean, 14 points, it's up to you. This was the initial target. I just got a little bit a little bit spooked, and because of this price action down here, I was neutral coming into the day anyway. So I was happy with that. I'm okay missing out on the 3 extra points. There you guys go. Nice.